We have a serious health problem in the US with our prenatal care. Almost half of all new moms report that their births were traumatic. 1 in 7 experience postpartum depression, which often starts during pregnancy. And Black women and Native women have a 2 to 3 times higher risk of dying in childbirth and of negative birth outcomes. So, what's the solution? Science tells us that we don't know. So, if we account for economic status, access to healthcare, education level, we still have a huge birth inequity. And overall, our numbers are not getting better. Hi, my name is Jessica Jennings, and in 2006, I was working at Kaiser Permanente, creating a group visit and prenatal yoga program as part of my master's. And we studied customer satisfaction. And of course, the numbers were through the roof. 92% in our group visit and yoga program said they'd recommend Kaiser to family and friends, versus 62% of the people who were doing traditional one-on-one 15-minute visits with their OBGYN. What that taught me was that not only can yoga really make pregnancies a positive experience and help mamas prepare for labor, but the social support that people get is incredibly important. When we look at the highest risk factor for negative birth outcomes, it's stress. Stress is the #1 risk factor. And what do we know about stress? Well, we know that mindfulness practices like yoga and meditation reduce it. We also know that isolation and a lack of social support can increase stress, even help to bring it on. That is why we created the Ma Circle Project. We believe that Ma Circles can be a big part of our solution. We have already set up our infrastructure. We've been training teachers since 2012. But often we get teachers in these states that have very little prenatal care saying they can't afford to take our training. Under the umbrella of our fiscal sponsor, Give Back Yoga Foundation, we are raising money to be able to provide scholarships in states like Georgia, Alabama, South Carolina, that really need nurturing communities that provide resources, education, yoga, and friendship. If you feel like this can be part of the solution like we do, we would love your help. We would love you to stand with us on our mission to provide yoga, education, and community to pregnant mamas and new moms in every neighborhood, and training and support for the people on the ground who are nurturing them.